Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to allow pop-ups on Chrome. The first thing you do is, from your Chrome browser here, you click on the three dots at the top right corner, then scroll down to settings over here, click on settings, and then under privacy and security, which is the third option here, you click on it. We're going to find site settings. Click on site settings, scroll all the way down. You see the last option under content, pop-ups and redirects. Click on it, and now you can see if yours is on here, don't allow sites to send pop-ups, so we're going to allow by clicking on the first one. That's it. Now sites can send you pop-ups and use redirects to lead you to websites you may not want to visit. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.